guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another little crafty video for you guys on this nice day. For today's video, I want to show you guys how I made my own DIY shimmer oil. Something I love to put on, especially when I'm wearing revealing clothing, maybe like a dress or a spaghetti strap or a crop top. You know, I like to look a little shimmery, a little glittery, just to highlight my skin while I'm outside. So I really wanted to create something to imitate that, because usually I'll use like a perfume with glitter in it. I use a lot from Bath and Body Works and Victoria's Secret. I usually use a perfume, but I wanted to try an oil. So for the base, I decided to use rosehip oil just because of the thickness. Rosehip oil is good for anti-aging, moisturizing. Overall, rosehip oil is just good for restoring your skin. And to make this shimmery oil a little more moisturizing, I decided to use almond oil, just for the simple fact that it's for moisturizing. A lot of skincare companies out there use almond oil as a moisturizing property. Almond oil is rich with vitamin E, so it's good for your hair, skin, and it also helps with different types of diseases. So after adding in these two oils, I decided to mix it up to see how the consistency would come out. I decided to try a little bit on my hand just so I could see how thick or how watery the consistency is, because I tried this formula twice. The first time around, I used almond oil as a base. That formula was a little bit runny. You can see the shimmer and stuff, but I felt like it was just too oily. So after perfecting my oil base, it is now time to scent it up. I decided to use the scents Red Cherry and Almond. I love the Red Cherry scent because it has a very tart smell, and I feel like that gives the personality of sexy and grown. And I just wanted the smell to really match the sexy look that is going to give me on my skin once I apply this oil. And the almond scent is to minimize the candy smell that is coming from the red cherry scent. Now it is time for the satisfying moment, adding the glitter. This part is my favorite. For this step, y'all gonna see me use a lot of glitter, but don't be scared because it's needed. Trust me, is needed. I added some, mixed it, added some, mixed it. Also tested it out on my hand because I really wanted a very pigmented oil, just so I don't have to use a lot of oil on my skin. So I just kept going until I seen that it was pigmented to my liking, and not to mention how it looks. So after perfecting my oil, it is now time to package it up. I decided to use these dark eyedropper glass bottles. From my research, it say that the light breaks down and oxidizes the product over time, so the dark glass helps it from preventing that problem. And to prevent any mess, I decided to use a funnel to pour the oil into the glass bottle. That's it, really. This shimmery oil recipe is very simple. I just let it sit for 72 hours before I tried it, just so all the oil properties and the scent can really mash together, so it could be a custom made recipe. Okay, it came out very nice. I just want to sell it for profit. It's looking very good, and watch as I rub it out on my skin. Beautiful. So this is how the oil looks compared to my leg without the oil. Even though I wanted to make this oil for the shimmery look, it actually gave me like a little tan. With this product, a little bit goes a long way, and that was my point. I didn't want a product that was too oily. I just didn't want to create a product that I had to continuously put layers and layers and layers of it to be as pigmented as I wanted. So this formula came out very perfect to my liking. Now I must say, do get messy just like any other glitter product that you use. But just so y'all know, it can come off real easily with hand soap or dish detergent. What I love about this shimmery oil is that it's very thick. I don't really like runny products because I just feel like it's not really giving me the moisture that I need. So I just really wanted to make a product that's really for me. Okay, I encourage y'all to do the same. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I just wanted to share my shimmery oil recipe. If you guys want to see me do more custom products like this, then make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and go watch my other videos. And I'll just see you guys in the next one, okay?